For years, using AI meant leaving your editor. Not anymore. Higgsfield just put 5 AI tools directly inside Premiere Pro and After Effects. Everything lives in one panel. No tabs, no friction, just pure workflow. Draw a motion, describe it. Higgsfield generates and drops it straight into your timeline. Type airplane transition. It renders. It's ready. Instantly integrated. No export. Editing a travel vlog. Need aerial New York shots. Describe it. Generate it. Dropped in. Remove backgrounds without green screen. Hair stays clean. Edges stay perfect. Type bold New York title. Generated. Rendered. Placed as a 3D effect you can move through. Client texts. Can you plug our product? No bottle yet? Higgsfield replaces it and composites it in one click. Low-res footage? Upscale it. Need mobile format? Reframe automatically. Subject stays centered. Everything is available inside the Higgsfield plugin, and we'll show you how to do it in this video. Alright, theory's done. Let's set it up. You'll need a Higgsfield login, plus a Creative Cloud plan that covers Premiere or After Effects. I'll demo in Premiere since that's my daily home. Head to Higgsfield.ai, find the Plugins tab up top, then grab the build for your machine, Mac or Windows. Here you can choose to download the Higgsfield plugin for any of the supported software listed below. In this video tutorial, we'll focus on using the plugin inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go ahead and download the plugin for your machine, whether you're using macOS or Windows. Once the download is complete, click the downloaded file and install it. Follow the instructions to install the Higgsfield plugin on your machine. Once the installation is complete, open Adobe Premiere Pro and add the Higgsfield plugin to your project. Inside your project, go to the Window tab, select Extensions, and you should see the new Higgsfield plugin listed there. Simply click on it, and a pop-up will appear asking you to authenticate with your Higgsfield account. Click Continue in Browser to complete the authentication. Once that's done, you should see the videos from your Higgsfield account. Awesome. Now let's demonstrate the full workflow by creating a new video using the C-Dance model, then editing it directly with the Higgsfield plugin inside Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, the video is being generated in real time right inside Premiere Pro. Once it's done, we can preview it immediately. Now let's click the Edit button on the video. Here we can see the 4 main features available in the Higgsfield plugin. Let's start with Draw to Video. Instead of writing a long prompt first, I can visually mark the exact area I want to change. I paint over the person, then give a simple instruction, remove. Then hit the Submit button. Once the result comes back, the man is gone, leaving only the other subject in the shot. What I like about this is how direct the process feels. I simply mark the area I want to edit, give a short instruction, and Higgsfield handles the change right inside Premiere Pro. The result looks really clean, natural, and ready to use without needing a complicated manual fix. That's why Draw to Edit feels like one of the most useful tools in the plugin. Next, let's try something even more powerful. This time, we're going to change the woman's dress color to red. And the best part is, we can do it without any advanced editing skills. To start, we click on the Edit button again. Then we highlight the object we want Higgsfield to edit. In this case, that object is the white dress. After selecting the dress, we simply type a prompt. For example, we can write, change the dress to red. The woman's dress turns red, almost like magic. And all we did was enter one simple prompt. Higgsfield takes care of the rest automatically. Alright. Now, let's move on to another interesting feature inside the Higgsfield plugin. This feature is called Reframe. First, we select a landscape video. For example, let's use this video of the perfume bottles. Now imagine we want to turn this landscape video into a portrait video. Maybe we want to post it on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Before, this could be a pretty difficult task, because we would need to keep the main object in frame. At the same time, we would also need to preserve the background and make the new ratio look natural. But now, Higgsfield makes this process much easier. All we need to do is click Reframe under the video. Then we choose the format we want. In this case, we select Portrait Video. After that, we hit Submit. And after a short while, we get a new portrait version of the original landscape video. What's impressive is that the main object still stays consistent. The background also remains clean and natural. And the final result looks ready for social media. This is exactly the kind of feature we may need every day when creating content for short-form platforms. And finally, we can even upscale the video to 4K directly inside the plugin. So it feels like many powerful editing features are now available through simple clicks and simple prompts. We can also drag any video from our Higgsfield account directly into the Premiere Pro timeline. From there, we can start editing the video however we want. And if we want to edit a video directly inside Adobe Premiere Pro, Higgsfield can help with that too. For example, we can add a new object to the video, or we can change the camera type. We can also change the effect, the shot, or the overall style of the video. To do that, we simply choose the video inside the Higgsfield plugin. Then we type the edit we want as a prompt. Basically, we can update the video into almost any idea we can imagine. And once we hit submit, the new edited version will appear right inside the plugin. Pretty awesome, right? Overall, Higgsfield's Adobe plugins make the most sense when you think of them as AI tools that live right inside your editing workflow. Instead of jumping between different apps or breaking your creative flow, you can handle tasks like removing or changing objects, reframing videos for short-form platforms, cutting out backgrounds, and experimenting with more creative edits directly inside Premiere Pro or After Effects. So if you are already editing videos and want to speed up repetitive tasks while giving yourself more room to test ideas, this plugin is definitely worth checking out. I will leave the link in the description so you can try it yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.